What's up, family? Welcome to Ddins Xperience. This is my 3-part series of the foil pack meals. Before we get started, if you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. If you have any ideas or suggestions, leave them in the comment section below. And without further ado, let's get to the menu. Okay, family, so for this shrimp boiled foil pack, I'm using medley 1-bite potatoes, shrimp, any type of sausage you like. I'm using jumbo shrimp, 1 corn on the cob, minced garlic, black pepper, lime, and Morton's sea salt rub. Without further ado, let's get to creating this, family. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take our corn on the cob, and we're going to go ahead and make some finger magic and cut them into pieces like this. Alright. Now we're going to go ahead and take our pot, and we're going to take our 1-bite potatoes and our chopped up corn on the cob, and we're going to let them get soft. Don't want to boil them because they are going to go into the foil pack. Okay. Let's go ahead and get to our sausage. We're going to go ahead and cut our sausage into bite-sized pieces. Just like so. Okay, in our stainless steel bowl, we're going to add in our potatoes and our corn, add in our sausage, our black pepper, our garlic, and our Morton's sea salt rub. And we're going to go ahead and add in our butter and give this a nice mix. Wait a minute, let's add in our shrimp. We can't forget that. And let's give this a nice mix, you guys. This is going to be beautiful. Make sure you give this a nice mix. You want all the seasoning to get into everything. A nice flavor. Look at that. Okay, quick facts. Is it safe to eat out of aluminum foil? Aluminum foil is a common household product that is often used in cooking. Some claim that using aluminum foil in cooking can cause aluminum to seep in your food and put your health at risk. However, others say it is entirely safe to use. So I guess using aluminum foil is up to you. Pretty cool. Alright, now we're going to get our pack together. And we're going to fold this up real nice and tight. We're going to preheat our oven at 350 degrees. I'm going to let this cook to 30 minutes. And this is what we're looking for. I know my hands are ashy. Don't roast me. But look at that. Look at that steam. Oh yes. Let's take a cut. You made that. Okay, let's take our lime and let's put the juices on it. Alright, let's dig in. Let's get every piece now. And let's take a bite. Ow! Now that was beautiful, you guys. I want to say thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please hit subscribe and hit that notification bell at your bottom right and hit all. Share this video with at least one of your friends. Let's make it to our next 1,000 Ddins and to our next food adventure. Peace.